Hi, Maurice here. Do you use React? Do you love to use React hooks? But have you found some issues with using React hook? Maybe you were trying to do something and you quite couldn't figure out how to do it the best possible way? Well, I've got just a thing for you. I've got a course on React hook, tips only the pros know. And in that course I'm going to show you all about all of the standard React hooks. But I'm not just going to demo how to use them. We're going to go behind the scenes, explore the ESLint rules in the React source code and see how hooks are actually implemented behind the scenes. And we're going to do it all with TypeScript, so we get the full power of type checking along. Now, if you're not into TypeScript, no big deal, easy enough. But if you are, great. So join me in this course, click on the link below, and let's have some fun in this course together.